From 2 feet.
6'7" senior from the Bronx, New York. Big hand in the Gales' late season success, averaged 11 points in the last 10 games of the season. Coach Tim Cluse, you see him in the warm-ups. Might be saying, I don't usually see coaches in warm-ups. They had a game on March the 1st where they were trying to raise money and awareness for cystic fibrosis. There's a tie to a member of the Iona family as a child suffering from cystic fibrosis, and the coaching staff wore the warm-ups, and they haven't lost since. They've won their last 5. So they actually had to go to the NCAA to get approval to wear the warm-ups during the game today, and that was green-lighted. They're doing a good job.
They are doing a good job.
Raising awareness for
exactly right.
A cause that needs a lot of attention. Ash ducked off and a whistle against Iona.